Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to see how you can run your Flutter app in web in 2021. So with the latest update of Flutter 2.0, it's really easy. So let's for the demo. Here's an app. Let's change our home page with an app called Spacer Demo. So let's save our app, and now you can see the app running in our Android emulator. So how you can run it in web? So in the right bottom corner there's an option where you can select a web in VS Code. So you need to simply select that. So just we'll close our app and select the web as the option and run our app. It's that easy. So simply wait for a minute because it will take a time. So yes, so now as you can see, our project is running in the web browser. So hang in there. So now as you can see, our app is running in the browser. We can also see how responsive it is. It's really fun to do web apps in Flutter. So let's have a little fun. So how is that? We will just give a little space between our widgets. So what we will do is we will use a widget called spacer. It gives the space in between the widgets. So let's use the spacer in our widget list. Let's save our app, and now you can see there is yes, equal amount of space between our widgets. You can see the responsiveness as well, and if you want to change the space according to your choice, you can change the property in spacer called as flex. So let's change the flex property to, let's say, 2, and in the another spacer let's change it to flex 4. Okay, no, 6. So higher the flex value, higher the space you will get. So this is how you can run your app in web in Flutter. So hope you found this video helpful, and this is how you can run your app in web in Flutter. So yes, that's it in this video. Hope you found this helpful. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and see you in the next video.